자,
How was it? How was it? Taking a photo with the Filipino fans and one Taiwanese.
다 모지가서 아쉽죠?
Nakakahinay, hindi ko kayo lahat nakasama sa aking picture.
Yes.
But let's go next part.
Yeah! So ako muna tayo, we're gonna proceed to our next part. So we've heard about Jinyoung's acting stories dun sa kaninang segment natin, di ba? But, so di ba nakita niyo ba yung mata niya when he was talking about his work? He's really very passionate about it and he's really, you know, like, ang dami niyang stories, ang dami niyang mga kwento sa atin. And we could feel his passion through his sparkling eyes. And I'm sure you guys are also looking forward to his next work, correct? Yeah! Perfect! Now, everyone, for our next segment, we are going to take a look at Jinyoung's moment. This
Moment.
Yes, this is a time for us to explore the beautiful and happy moments of Jinyoung through some of the photos. So dito sa box natin, ayan, Jinyoung Nekot.
자, 진영 네컷.
Yes. Here in this keyword box, we have special photos that contain a story close to Jinyoung's heart. And I'm sure you're all curious kung ano yung mga photos na ipapakita niya, especially for the Manila FanCon. Yan! So ano gusto mong buksan muna?
자, 원, 진, 영, 네컷, right?
Yes.
First one is 진.
Oh!
Oh,
Ayan. Let us show it.
I think this is the first time
The people will see this one.
in Philippines
Yeah.
that you watch this picture in Twitter. Already,
That's
I guess.
Okay, let us show it. There. Diba? Alright, can you tell us about this photo?
When I was shooting the music video, the Youngjae song, Brief, then my member Yugyung took a photo for me. So I love this photo because Yugyung 네, 그랬어요.
So that's the reason why you chose this photo because it was taken by Yukyung.
Yes, because the man is Yugyung. 왜냐면 제가 멤버들을 많이 찍었는데 멤버들을 많이 찍다 보니까 제가 찍힌 게 많이 없어서 멤버가 찍은 거를 좀 선택했던 것 같아요.
Dahil madalas ako yung nagpipicture sa aking mga members, konti lang talaga yung picture na ako ang pinipicturean. Kaya for you, pinili ko talaga ang picture na ako naman.
I have so many pictures in my cell phone, the other members.
Do you plan to show it to the fans?
If they agree,
If they agree.
very dangerous cell phone.
Blackmail.
I have to destroy it.
Now let's proceed to our next photo.
Young. Guess
Hi! Okay.
these photos too. But I love this picture.
Yana. Tell us about this photo.
See you soon, brother. 이거는 드라마 해양연화에서 그 캐릭터가 이렇게 군대로 이렇게 끌려가게 돼서 거기서 찍은 촬영할 때 저희 스텝이 찍어줬던 거예요.
Actually, this is a photo na kinuha sa akin ng aking staff nung nandun nag-film ng isang drama dahil ako isang sundalo sa aking pinicturean na yan.
It seems like recently you've been carrying around, you know, your It seems like you've been carrying your camera around these days. So, except other than, you know, behind the scenes photo like this, what are some of the favorite subjects that you like to photograph?
사실 저는 멤버 사진을 원래 많이 찍었어서 요즘은 그냥 이렇게 뭐 풍경만 찍는 것 같아요.
Dati, nagpipicture talaga ako sa mga members, sa aking mga kagrupo ko. Pero ngayon naman siguro mga sightseeings na lang.
Sightseeing.
혼자 있으니까.
Dahil ako ay nag-iisa.
But you know, actually, you're never alone because you have all the Agasem with you.
아가씨!
Let's proceed with our third photo.
Okay. This is real first time.
Hey. Hey. Ooh. Can you tell us the backstory behind this photo?
20살 때 데뷔하기 전에 before I debuted
When I was 20 years old, ang picture na to.
Oh. You look the same.
그 대학교 연극영화과 들어가려고 연기학원에서 연기 배울 때 친구가 찍어줬대.
Actually, this picture was taken by my friend dahil naghahanda ako para mag-apply sa course for acting para sa aking college. So ito ay parang behind the scenes photo na kinuha ng kaibigan ko.
연기가 안 돼서 지금 머리를 쥐어 뜯고 있는 거예요.
And as you can see, parang hirap na hirap ako mag-acting kasi hindi ko siguro ako magaling mag-acting noong panahon na yun.
요즘도 똑같아요. These days too.
No, we have to disagree. No.
그리고 혼자 있을 때가
And syempre, kung nag-iisa ako, naghihirap talaga.
촬영하면
Pero kung nasa shooting na, napakasayahin tao na ako.
Yes, we can see that. And once again, of course, guys, make sure na he's never lonely and alone, ha? Promise ko yun sa kanya, ha? Oh, di ba? Now, this is a very old photo, right? This is before your debut. May I ask, what, you said you have a lot of photos on your phone. Ano yung mga criteria mo para mag-delete ng mga pictures?
꼭 파괴해야 되는 사진들이 있어요.
Meron talagang pictures na kailangan talagang alisin at tanggalin.
예를 들어서 그 멤버들끼리 서로 찍어준 사진들이 있어요.
Mga pictures na yung mga members, kami-kami lang, yung mga corny-cornies namin, yung mga moments namin, kami lang magkasama.
If those photos
Get leaked?
우리 팬들한테 our 아가새 saw see that photos everybody live. I swear.
So these photos, you delete them.
네, 삭제한 것도 있고 아직 있는 것도 있어요.
Hindi naman lahat, basta tinatanggal ko. Minsan tinatago ko rin.
Okay. So, alam niyo na guys, yung photo, yung phone ni Jin yung makapangyarihan. Alam niyo na.
네, 몇 년 뒤면 보여줄 수 있을 것 같아요.
Siguro ipapakita ko sa inyo after few years.
Ay! Abangan natin yan!
If they agree,
May
You
disclaimer.
won't?
멤버들이 안 되면 또 안 되죠.
Siyempre, hindi naman pwede kung hindi sila sumasama yung ipakita ko yung mga pictures.
Parang mag-translate ko si Ara. I love that. Now, di ba? Very respectful.
Yes.
Sa brother. Now, let's proceed to our last photo.
아,
There you go. 아, 오.
이거는 제주도에서 제주도. 이거 제주도.
So this picture was taken in Jeju Island.
거기서 here이나 아닌데
Yes.
Hey Guys라는 그 포토북 찍을 때 찍었던 거예요.
So ito ay galing nung nagpipicture kami pictorial for the Hey Guys book.
네, 그때 뭔가 저 친구가 나보다 더 힙한 것 같아서 찍었던 것 같아요.
Ginawa ko yung picture na to kasi nakita ko parang mas hip pa yung statue kaysa sa akin.
나보다 더 힙합을 잘할 것 같아서.
Parang mas magaling talaga siya sumayaw or mag-hip hop kaysa sa akin, no? Dahil sa kanyang itsura.
In fairness, the true.
저 안경 뭐예요, 안경?
Tingnan niyo yung salamin.
Sa head. Head wrap. Okay, since this is a very interesting photo. So you've been sharing your photos, your most treasured photos with us. What makes these photos meaningful to you? And meron ka bang special ways of preserving these photos or memories?
찍고 저장을 해서 그 어떤 저장할 수 있는 프로그램이 있어요. 거기다가 다 넣어주는 것 같아요.
Actually, kuha lang ako ng photos and then meron akong program na pwede talaga siyang i-store. So doon ko na lahat nilalagay.
Ano yan? Including the photos with the memories.
거기에 엄청난 사진이
At nandun lahat ng sikreto ng aking buhay.
Aha! Aha! Well, did you guys enjoy this segment? And the stories that he shared? Perfect! Now we will wrap up Jin Young's Moment segment here. But before, just wanted to remind everyone, di ba, bago kayo pumasok, nag-iwan kayo ng mga mensahe. Ayan. That you wanted to give to Jin Young here. Nakalagay po siya sa board sa likod natin. And although I want to read it all, obviously, it is